Welcome back to Primetime Sports. Thursday, we kick off with track and field as with the 17th IAAF World Athletics Championships getting underway a month from now in Doha, Qatar. Tonight, we continue our countdown with a look at the latest performances by Jamaican athletes on the international circuit. As we hear in this report from Jeremy Brown, national triple jump champion Shanika Ricketts secured her first IAAF Diamond League trophy in Zurich on Thursday, where she was the only Jamaican winner in the main segment of the meet.
Signaling her readiness for the World Athletics Championships in Doha, Qatar next month, Shanika Ricketts produced a lifetime best 14.93 meters to win the women's triple jump and the Zurich Diamond League meet on Thursday. She won ahead of the informed Pan American Games champion Yulimar Rojas of Venezuela, who leapt 14.74 meters. Compatriot Kimberly Williams was 7th with 14.10 meters. Meanwhile, despite producing a season's best at 22.44 seconds, Olympic champion Elaine Thompson had to settle for 3rd in the women's 200 meters. The event was won by Bahamian star Shawnee Miller-Weibo in a world-leading Diamond League and national record 21.74. 2011 world champion Johan Blake ended 3rd in the men's 100 meters, clocking 10.07. High-riding American Noah Lyles won the event in 9.98 seconds ahead of China's Zheng Ji, who was 2nd in 10.04. National champion Tajay Gale registered 8.20 meters for 3rd in the men's long jump, the same distance as 2nd place Roshawi Samahi of South Africa. Cuban Juan Miguel Echeverria produced a world-leading and Diamond League record 8.65 meters to win the event. Michael O'Hara with 13.79 was 4th in the men's 110-meter hurdles, which was won by the Frenchman Pascal Martinot-Lagarde in 13.51. Stephanie Ann McPherson ended down the track in the women's 400 meters, placing 6th. The event was won by the Bahraini Saeed Alwa-Nazer. And in the performance of the meet, Norway's Karsten Warholm produced an astounding 46.92, the second fastest time in history to win the men's 400-meter hurdles. It was also a Diamond League, European and world-leading time. American sensation Rai Benjamin clocked a personal best 46.98 for 2nd. The final Diamond League meet of the season will be held on September 6 in Brussels, Belgium.